In this video, I'll be telling you about 7 worldwide side hustles that you can do today to make some extra money. So number one is to become a virtual assistant. So as the name suggests, you can offer this service anywhere around the world to clients. You can offer services such as making phone calls for clients. You can set appointments for them. You can send emails. You can do data entry, you can do typing, and any other administrative matter you can offer to them. By the way, guys, if you like the content, please subscribe, please like, and please share the videos, right? If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Vivette, and on this channel, we talk about ways that you can make money, you can save, invest, and live the financial freedom lifestyle that you deserve. So, number two, you can become a writer. So if you're very passionate about writing, you can offer your services as a writer. You can offer services such as writing blog posts for persons. You can write press releases. You can become a ghostwriter. You can write articles on persons' behalf so that they can publish and they would get credit for it. You can offer your writing services on a platform called Medium. Number three, you can create a YouTube channel. So, guys, if you have a smartphone, right, you can start making videos like what I'm doing right now, and you can upload it to YouTube. So, if you are passionate about anything, whatever you're passionate about, if it is personal finance, if you love to vlog, if you love to if you love to travel, you can create videos you by using those and uploading them to YouTube, and you do that as a side hustle and make some extra money. Number four is that you can edit YouTube videos. So, guys, there are a lot of channels on YouTube, and the persons would love for persons who can assist them with editing their videos, because sometimes they have a lot of clips and audios and b-rolls and all of those things to go in a video, and sometimes it takes a long time to edit videos. So they would love someone who loves to edit videos to take that work off their hands so that they can continue to create more content for their channel. So you can offer that services as well as a YouTube video editor. So what you can do, you can reach out to YouTubers and find out if they would be interested in your service. All right, so number five is to create digital products. So you can create digital products and sell and to make some extra money. So you can create planners, you can create templates like Instagram templates, you can create um, ebooks, you can create any other digital products, that anything that is digital that persons can download and they can use in whatever they want it for. They can download it and use it. So you can use an online tool called Canva to create those printables, and you can sell them. You can sell them on websites like Etsy, Gumroll, or if you have your personal channel or personal website, sorry, you can put them on your website and sell them to make some money. I have seen persons who persons who are in budgeting, they have their personal websites where they create like budgeting templates for persons, and they sell it on their website, and they are making money as well. Number six is you can sell like t-shirts, you can sell mugs, pillowcases, you can sell phone cases on platforms such as Printful, Redbubble, Teespring, or you can sell it on your personal website, or even Shopify you can sell it, those items on. So you can create those products online. You don't necessarily have to have like an inventory for those products. These products are what you call like print on demand. So if someone is interested in your product, they can go on the website, they can select it and purchase it, and when the purchase is made, then the company would do the printing, they would do the packaging, and they would do the shipping to the customer. So don't necessarily you don't have to do any form of shipping or have any inventory on hand in order to sell those items. You could, if you want to do them, for yourself, to if you want to specialize in, ensuring that the products are up to your standard, and you want to maintain control, you can do that as well. All right, but you can sell these items on these platforms, and you can make some money. The last one, number seven, is to become an influencer. So if you have a following on your social media platforms, you can become an influencer for other persons. You can be an influencer for brand companies, or also persons who are small, entrepreneurs who would love to, for their website or their products to be showcased to a wider audience. You can offer that as a service and get paid. So you can charge any amount that you want to showcase those persons' products. And I've seen it where persons are offering that shout outs for persons on their website or on their channel or social media platform, and they are making money as well. So these are some side hustles worldwide that you can do and to make some extra money, right? So guys, if you love the content, please like the videos. It really helps the channel out to go out to more persons. Please subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so that you notify whenever I post a new video, and please just share the videos to a friend, to a friend, so that many persons can know about the channel. Because all we do on this channel, we talk about ways that we can make money, we can save, we can invest, and that we can achieve and live the financial freedom lifestyle that we deserve, right? So guys, if you have started any of these side hustles, you can let me know in the comment. If you plan on doing any of these, you can also let me know. And if you know of any side hustles that we may have not showcased on the channel, you can let us know, so that all of us can learn and all of us can grow. So please guys, subscribe, like, share, comment on the videos, and tell a friend to tell a friend about the channel. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye everyone. Bye.